proceeding with Johnny Depp, Amber Heard resolves the matter with the justice. The case involving Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has received a great deal of media attention, and for a while it seemed as though the matter would be forgotten. It was impossible to anticipate the numerous recessions that have occurred since this summer. Based on the most recent available information, the public's trust was regained by Johnny Depp, who had been secretive for years and had been professionally destroyed as revelations about his toxic relationship with Amber Heard multiplied. In fact, several evidence and other testimonies point in the actor's direction, indicating that he was the victim of the story and that his ex-femme had made up numerous charges from the ground up. Since you probably already know everything, we'll stop right there with the extremely brief summary. If you have followed the case a little more closely, especially since the conclusion of the trial in which Heard was ordered to pay $10 million to her ex-husband, you may also be aware that the actress has expressed a desire to appeal the court's ruling. Now that it is done, that is what. The legal system is slow, and cases can drag on for years. The case involving Johnny Depp and Amber Heard shouldn't be an exception given that the actor who plays Mira in Aquaman formally filed a complaint by appealing the judge's ruling nearly 6 months after the trial ended. Document. Deadline shared the entire 68-page document, which was filed in November and requests that the trial's verdict be reversed or that a new trial be instituted. Numerous documents attesting to abuse for which Johnny Depp would have been responsible were not presented this time, according to Amber Heard's attorneys, and the trial would not have been required to take place either. The document mentions the last trial, which took place in front of the High Court of Justice in London, and ended with physical assaults against Heard, and states that another tribunal had already found that Depp had abused Heard on numerous occasions. If this request was granted, the Johnny Depp-Amber Heard dispute may go on for years.